Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, oh good, look at those lips. Look at that lip combo. Please, you guys, just watch this video and once you find out the lip combo, you're gonna be like, wow. But yeah, you guys, I changed my channel name from Love Your Face to Erica because my name is Erica. If you guys don't know, my name's Erica Money. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with my concealer. Use the LA Girl concealer in Chestnut and just put it all over my lids to prepare the eyes for the eyeshadow. And I'm literally going really far away with it because on this side I went quite far out. And I'm going to go in here as well. And if you can see white stuff on my hair, it's basically hair product because my hair is drying. And now I'm going to get this BH Cosmetics 129 brush and just blend this out. But not blend too much to just start the concealer, just like kind of pat it and also blend it. Going under eyes as well. So yeah, we're going to look crazy for a while. But that's just the way makeup's like, it's all the process. But I look crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this Morphe M511 brush. I'm gonna start with this Makeup Revolution blush palette. I'm basically gonna get this pink, this dark pink shade. So I'm kind of just patting the color on first because the concealer is still wet underneath because I didn't set it. And then I'm going to get a Real Techniques base shadow brush, just a blending brush. I'm basically going to go on this Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to get these two darkish pinky shades. They're just blushes basically. I'm using blush colors. Just to build a color, I'm just going to put it here, my crease. Just to darken everything up, make everything look more pink. And I'm going to get the Morphe brush again and just blend the edges. To blend both colors together. It's going to nicely blend. And now I'm basically going to get this dark purple eyeshadow I have here. But I can't pick it up because I have stuff on top of it. But I'm just going to insert a picture. Just use any dark purple eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put it in my crease. It's from the Morphe 35W, I think. I'm not sure. Honestly, the palette looks like a mess and I really don't want to show it right now, okay? Just trust me, it's that colour that I'm using. It's a purple colour, it's the only purple shade in the palette. Look at that nice blend. Oh, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing it. Two eyeshadows just blend beautifully together. If you feel like you're losing the pink, just go back to the blushes and just apply it more on top and you're just blending the colours because you're basically just layering them until the blend that you achieve is how you want it. So like I don't want the purple to be too harsh because I still want to be able to see the pink, but at the same time I want this look to have a purple feel to it, so I want the purple to be quite there as well, if that makes any sense. And don't be afraid to go all the way up to your eyebrows with eyeshadow. I don't know what it is about, like, I don't know, I feel like the beauty community, we always, like, I don't know, I feel like it's like low-key shunned upon to like go all the way up to your brows with eyeshadow because, I don't know, I just feel like that's the vibe I get. But don't be afraid to do that. Your eyeshadow will look more blended, and what you can do at the end, just go over the bottom of your brow with concealer, you know, and just blend everything out at the end. Okay, now I'm going to get this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Oh God, I look so crazy right now. But just trust the process. I don't know if I'm saying that more to you guys or to me. But anyways, I'm going to get these two purple shades. I'm going to mix them. This pinkish purple and this bluish purple. And just apply it in my crease as well. I'll go back to the Morphe brush and then just blend the edges out. Okay, now I'm going to get a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow. I'm going to use the one from the Morphe palette that I got with purple from. A pencil brush. But it's like a fluffy pencil brush, so you can blend things out with it. I'm going to put it on my outer crease. It's a V shape type of thing, you know? And the rest of the black I'm just going to go all the way to the inner corner with. All the way to this part of the eye. just lightly. I'm gonna get the purple eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics palette and put it on top of the black. Then I'm gonna go back with the Morphe brush again, get a little bit of the blush colors, and then blend the edges of that. Don't worry about the brows, we're gonna go over the brows again, so. Okay, so now I'm going to get a flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to get this Kiko Milano single eyeshadow. It's from the Infinity Plus collection Sparkle eyeshadow, and it's in the color 405. Oh my gosh, this color is so bomb. It's like this beautiful, I don't even know, like a beautiful, like you can't even see, like it doesn't swatch as nice, I feel. It's like a mixture of like blue and purple, and it's got like glitter pieces in there, just really nice. Before I apply the purple, I'm actually going to use that pencil fluffy brush and just blend the black with the concealer, so it'll be easy when we put another color on top. And then I go with that beautiful purple in the middle. And then I'm gonna go with that purple on top of the black so that it can blend with the black. And then go back with the brush with the black and then blend the edges of that. Brush that had the purple again. I want it to be so blended that it looks like it's another color between them. So like this. So you see that between the black and the purple it looks like a iridescent blue. And now from that Morphe palette that I'm using, that I'm not showing you guys because it's a mess, okay? It's a mess. Just trust me that I'm using that palette. And I'm using, there's two golds, the dark gold and the lighter gold. I'm using the lighter gold and I'm putting that right here. It's a beautiful champagne gold. If you have a champagne highlight, you can use that too. Anyways, I want those two to blend, so I'm gonna go over a bit of the purple with the brush that I applied the champagne gold with, and then a little bit with the brush that I used to apply the purple and go over the gold. Just add a teensy bit of product to my brush just so it can blend even more. And voila! Wow, that, my loves, is a blend. And I'm gonna get another blending brush, pencil brush, but this pencil brush is much stiffer. And I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I'm going to get that. That is my inner corner highlight. To intensify the crease even more, I'm going to get another pencil, a stiffer pencil brush as well, and then it has a little bit of black in it. And just intensify that a bit more. Okay, so I just put on these eyelashes. Oh, I forgot what brand they are actually. Oh, they're by Sosu. Sosu lashes. Sosu by Suzanne Jack. I forgot the name. I think they're Paris or something, or New York. Now we're gonna move on to the skin, then finish the eyes at the end. This is the L'Oreal True Match in the color 11 Neutral. I love the way this foundation goes on my skin. Like, it's honestly my favorite drugstore foundation. Like, L'Oreal True Match, like, there's no other drugstore foundation that applies like this foundation. I'm sorry. Like, I don't think there are any other drugstore foundations like this one. Like, you can layer it up and make it look full coverage, and you can also have a very light coverage. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the LA Girl concealer in Chestnut to highlight. For my under eyes, I'm going to use the W7 Banana Dreams powder. I love this loose powder. It's honestly, it's so smoothing, like makes your under eyes look so smooth. And it's so affordable. Like, it's super affordable. W7 make affordable makeup. I'm going to like bake a little. So it looks pretty crazy right now, but I'm not going to bake for too long. And I'm just setting the lines around my mouth. I'm going to get a brush and just remove all of that loose powder. And look at my under eyes, please. And I'm sure you guys can see how smooth my under eyes look. And it looks good on every skin tone. Oh, honestly, it's the best. And whatever's like left of my brush, I just set my forehead and my chin. I'm going to leave the nose highlight for a bit longer. Okay, so now we're going to do the under eyes, and I decided to put blue on my under eyes. Okay, so I have this blue eye pencil by MUA. It's in the color Royal Blue. And I'm going to get the blue eye pencil and I'm going to put it all over my lash line. Okay, so now that I've smudged all over my lash line, I'm going to get a stiff pencil brush, and I'm gonna go with my BH Cosmetics Taking It Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna get a blue from the palette. You can get any of the blues, because any of the blues will look nice. It will just change the look. I'll just get this blue, and I'm gonna put, it's a lighter blue, I'm gonna blend that out. I'm basically mixing all these blues. Alright, so now that's done, I'm going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes, and I'm also going to add a bit more trophy wire in my inner corners because it's, you know, it's kind of gone. There's no point of applying blush, so now I'm going to apply this LA Girl Strobe Light highlighter in the color 20 watts. It's just such a beautiful, like, natural highlight. Alright, so I'm just going to get my finger and blend out this nose situation. Okay, so now I'm going to like contour. I'm going to do a bit of cream contour. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C18. I'm going to put a little bit back on my hand instead of applying straight to my face, and get my Real Techniques contour brush. Okay, so now I'm going to line my lips with this Revolution lip liner in Glory. And I'm gonna use on top the Makeup Revolution lip gloss in Stripped. It's like this pinkish-ish nude. Now what I'm going to do on top of it, I'm going to apply clear lip gloss.